Holy cow, fractions are fun.
What do you mean fractions are fun?
Oh my goodness. Well, there's evidence everywhere we look. We use fractions in our everyday life. Because so many times, Mrs. Sexton, we don't use a whole of something.
True.
We don't eat a whole pizza.
No, we don't.
Unless
we're really hungry.
That's right. Mm-hmm. We don't get to choose the entire bag of marbles.
No.
What else?
Well, tonight I'm going to go get a Pizookie, and I probably won't eat the whole thing.
That's right.
Because I'm going to share it with Mr. Sexton.
And so we need a way to refer to times in which we don't eat the whole of something.
Yeah.
So fractions are really all around us.
That's true.
So I want to draw your attention here real quick. This is a number line here. All these are. And we are only looking, we zoomed way in on the number line, and we're only looking at the numbers 0 and 1. And then some things happen in the middle.
Yeah.
And what this means, Mrs. Sexton, is that all of these numbers are greater than 0, but less than
1.
That's right.
I get it.
And so sometimes, if we're cutting pizza, or if we're talking about, marbles that are smaller, we use different pieces to make equivalent fair shares. So I could have 8 pieces of pizza that are really skinny, or 4 pieces that are larger, and have it be the same. It'll make more sense in a minute.
Okay.
So, equivalent. It starts the same way as the word equal. Okay? So we're looking for pieces of pizza, or whatever, on the number line that are the same size.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, let's try this. 1/2 a pizza, 1/2, is equal to how many fourths?
2.
2. 1/2 is equal to 2/4.
Oh.
So isn't this a really neat tool?
Yeah, that's helpful.
Yeah, so let's circle that.
I bet it can help me do my homework tonight.
I bet it'll help you on your math test.
Ooh, yeah. Should we show our scholars a little bit of their math test?
I think that'd be great. Let's try one more though, okay?
Okay. All right.
Mrs. Sexton, this might be a little tricky.
Okay.
But how many 12ths are the same as 1/4?
Oh, I thought you were going to ask me how many 12ths were the same as 1/2.
Nope.
That's hard.
You can do it. You can do it.
Okay. So
1/4.
Here's my 1/4.
Right here.
Where is it?
Up
okay,
there.
it's up there. And then my 12th, how many of these 12 pieces here are the same as my 1/4 piece? Well, let's color in 1 and 2. That's not quite the same.
Nope.
Oh, that's the same. 3 of those 12ths is the same as 1/4. And look here, 3 12ths and 1/4.
In a nice straight line.
Line up in a nice straight line on the number
What a
line.
cool tool. Okay, let's show them some of the test.
All right.
Don't tell anyone, scholars. We're helping you so much.
All right, Miss Huddle, help me with my math homework.
Guess what this is?
Homework?
No, it's special homework.
What's so special about it?
It's a sneak peek.
Of what?
This is a sneak peek of the test that is going to help the teachers know how brilliant our scholars are and report to the 4th grade teachers and say, hey, look, guys, they know how to do this.
Oh, this is an important test.
It's very important, and it's coming up when?
Tomorrow.
No.
Thursday.
Monday.
We're giving a test on a Monday.
So we have fun field trips coming up. So we're going to talk about it with our teachers. Probably not tomorrow, probably Thursday and Friday.
Okay.
If the student is a super scholar-empowered learner, they can review it with their families over the weekend.
Okay.
Then Monday morning, they're going to come in. But here's the thing. Nothing on the test is something new. Everything on the test is something that we've already been tested on before.
Oh.
Okay, so don't worry. We're doing this problem because
Mm-hmm.
it's the hardest one on the test, you guys. So if you're tuning into Turtle Tube Tuesday, you are way ahead of the pack, and you are going to get at least 6 problems right on your test.
Sweet.
Is that cool?
That's so awesome.
Okay, so let's figure out how this works, okay?
Okay.
You got your pencil ready?
I got my pencil. Do you need it?
No, I want you to do it.
Oh, okay.
So Miss Sexton, this is our number line,
This is our number line.
okay, between
Yes.
0 and 1.
Yes.
1/2 is the same as how many fourths?
1/2 is the same as how many fourths?
She's
So
getting
I'm
her
gonna
pencil
look at 1/2.
sharpened.
And then I'm going to go down to 1/4. The
Just a
fourth
straight
number line.
line.
Oh, that's 2/4.
Okay, please write 2.
All right, I'm going to have to change my pencil, though, because that was
teachers and
not-
their school supplies.
All right, so 2. Oh, whoops, that wasn't the best.
That's all right.
All right, let's find my eraser. Sorry.
School supplies.
Erase. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I can go back to
Make
my
a
pencil. And I'm going to make a 2, 2/4.
2/4.
All right.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, so that was number 27.
All right.
How many 1/4 is equivalent to how many eighths?
1/4 is equivalent to how many eighths? Well, I'm going to go to 1/4, and then I have to go down to the number line where it's divided into 8 parts. That is this one right here, so I have to go down there. That is 2 eighths. Miss Huddle, are all the answers going to be 2?
I don't know.
Okay, 2 eighths.
Uh-oh, I
Okay.
can't see. Oh no, I'm to move your work.
You're going to have to move my work.
Great. Scholars, that says sixths. Got it. I got it. That's it. Oh.
Here, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to move this little girl away.
Bye.
I'm going to have to move that, and then All right, well, it's a research.
It gives the kids time to catch up.
Yeah, totally.
So on the number line, we have a half, we have thirds, we have fourths, sixths, eighths, sevens, and fifths are not common fractions, so we don't have those on our number lines, and twelfths.
Okay.
Okay, so
Got it.
halves, thirds, fourths, sixths, eighths, twelfths.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Mrs. Sexton, 1/3
Ooh, that's on the
is
thirds
equal
number
to
line.
how
That's
many
right there.
sixths?
1/3 is equal to how many sixths? Gotta go down to the 6th number line. That's this one that I cut off a little bit. But if I go down to this number line, there is 2 sixths. 1/3 is 2 sixths.
You're right about 2 so far, but I don't know if that's going to keep being true. Miss Sexton, look at the fourths.
Okay. The 4th number line?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It is this
Okay.
one.
Mrs. Sexton, 1/4
That's right
is
there.
equal to how many twelfths?
How many 12ths?
Twelfths are
Ooh.
little,
They are. They're very
little.
because you have to share with 12 people.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there's 12ths. 1/4, it looks like is 3/12ths. Is that right? Ooh,
Very
it's
good.
not 2, it's 3.
You're right. You're breaking
All
your
right.
pattern.
Okay.
Mrs. Sexton, a half is exactly between 0 and 1.
Yes, it is.
1/2 is equivalent to how many eighths?
1/2 is right here. Ooh, the 8ths are down here. So straight line down. 1/2 is 4/8.
Hey, 1/2 of 8 is also 4.
Oh, that's so cool.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Miss Sexton, look at your thirds.
Look at my thirds. 1/3 is right there.
Wow.
Here's my thirds.
1/3 is pretty big.
Mm-hmm.
How many twelfths in 1/3?
Gotta go down to the 12th number line.
Make sure you go on a straight line.
Straight line. That is equal to 4/12.
Hey, good.
1/3 is 4/12. All right.
Do we have any teacher high fives or
Yeah, I think we could do a teacher high five.
teacher high five? Give your teacher high five.
All right, scholars, here's your teacher high
high
five.
five.
Give a teacher
High five. What are they supposed to do?
They're supposed to use the number line to find the equivalent fractions, just like we did.
Line them
Yeah.
up, boys and girls.
Yep, line them up.
Okay.
Friends, this is also Miss Huddle's last teacher high five video with us.
No.
Yeah.
No.
This is her farewell video, and we've just so enjoyed. This will be our last video of 3rd grade this year, so we have enjoyed talking to you guys every Tuesday.
That's right. I love you guys so
We
much.
hope that it has been helpful to you guys this
Yeah,
year.
we've worked hard on it just for you.
We've worked so hard in math. You've worked so hard in
That's
math
right.
this year.
What
and
growth.
We are so proud of all the things that you guys have accomplished
Yep.
and how hard you've worked this year.
Amazing.
We love you so much,
You
and
should
we're
be
gonna
proud.
miss you.
You should be proud of yourselves.
Yeah, very proud. So,
Nice work, guys.
Great job. Well done.
Adios.
All right, one more test.
Woo!
And then we're done.
Woo!
Good night.